Marie Kealy, hImeartha. Marie, Cogargeous lad, many congratulations. You were too young to be here last year in the bitter disappointment of losing, but I'm sure you heard enough stories in the dressing room over the next week and for preparation for today's game.
I was in the stand last year and it was awful to see the girls lose, but thank God we pulled it around this year and got the win that we deserve for all our hard work.
A superb display from Wicklow. I mean, I suppose Louth got off to a good start. I suppose it took your first goal maybe to settle everybody down. Were there nerves? Did you feel that there was a nervous tension coming into today's game?
We're always a bit slow to start the last few games, but when we do get going, we bury the teams, which is the most important thing. So, yeah.
You were creating a lot of chances, but I'm sure that maybe a word at half-time from the managers was like, we need to start putting these chances, converting them into scores. Was that spoken about at half-time?
Yeah, it was. We did miss an awful lot of opportunities. It was just a bit nerves and just didn't take the right options, but we turned around the second half. So, thank God, we got the win anyway.
And in the second half, I mean, Louth got off, they got a goal, brought us back in, I think, till about 5 points. But, I mean, it was one-way traffic after that from Wicklow 2-7. You just kept pressing up on their defence and just kept going forward.
I suppose we worked hard throughout and we worked for it, so we deserve it. So, thank God, we came out on the right end of the result anyway.
Well done, Marie. You are hImeartha, and I'll just ask Jay Wilson on Shaw, as Lidl, Jahar Stahan Shaw, agus an Gradam of Ronu Art.